Alright, what's going on, guys? It's Chris, and today we're going to install my first tutorial installation video that I'm going to try to do word for word, but I've never really done this before anyway, but I'm learning at the same time as you. But today we're going to install my brand new Momo steering wheel. Beautiful steering wheel with the NRG parts. I got a couple things from NRG. I put them together already for some dumb reason, but from NRG, I got the quick release, Gen 1 quick release, and I also got the shorty hub for an 99 to 04 Mustang. So we're going to install this and this today, and I'm going to teach you guys how to do it as well as teaching myself how to do it, pretty much. So, yeah. Alright, so first thing you got to do while doing this is take your key out. This is after you turn off the battery. And you just need to lock it into place. It's locked. Steering wheel's good. We're good to go. There's a bolt right here that we need to take out. Let's take this bad boy out. That's too big. That's too small. Great. Alright. 8mm socket. Put it on there. Take this motherfucker off. Bad boy off there. Screw off. We gotta get a pick tool for this side. Old-fashioned screwdriver is my pick tool here. Pops right off. Thank you, Jesus. Take this motherfucker off. Alright. That is off. Complete. Airbag. Alright. So now, this clip right here that you see, this is the airbag. I'm going to take that off. Somehow. There we go. Off. There's a little clip behind here. So that is off. And then we get to the fun stuff. We have a bolt right here. It's like an Allen key, but it looks like a star. I don't know the name of it. So we're just gonna rip this motherfucker off. But what I gotta do quick is make sure your steering wheel is straight. I have an issue because my steering wheel wasn't straight before I started doing this. So I'm gonna try to level out my steering wheel while I do this at the same time. So I gotta make sure what's straight and what's not straight, and then I'll level it out. All right, so now we got some bolt thing. It's like all right. So this is our bolt that we're using. That is in the middle. You get this on here. And then we're gonna shoot, just fucking fuck this thing up, dude. Extensions on extensions on extensions here. All once. Oh, God. Alright, shit. That was a lot easier than I thought. So that comes out. Bing, bang, boom. But the issue here is that's my issue. Woo! Bad boy's out. Steering wheel is out. Oh, you know, that's what I did. I think the Y is out. That's for cruise control and shit. There we go. Steering wheel. Duty. Not duty. Alright. Alright, so what we're doing right now is we had a complication with the horn, but I have Christian, the electrician here, helping me with the horn, but we finally got it figured out. We didn't have to pull anything out. But for some reason the NRG hub, it's supposed to be, the NRG is supposed to be facing up, but it didn't fit that way, so I put it on sideways, but it works out. So now we're just screwing the shorty hub into the steering column so we can get everything situated. I mean, it looks like dog shit with this out here, but maybe I'll just get something and I'll make it. Alright, so now what we're doing is we're putting the quick release. What? I didn't know you were rolling. Yeah. We're going to put the quick release on. I mean, press it comes off, to be honest. If I feel like getting loose, I'll just strip the whole thing off and put it right on. It should be fine. It should be fine. Don't break the minute. Fuck. Pretty much what we're getting at here.
You suck?
Yeah.
Alright,
so now we get to put the gorgeous steering wheel onto the quick release. So we're gonna do that right now.
Wow, of course you would get that one shot.
Do you know who I am, Christian? Do you remember who I am?
You have a center cover? Is this supposed to do anything?
I don't think so. That's not straight. I'd have to get an alignment to fix that, right? That's what I have to do.
The battery's not connected.
Correct. Don't even worry about it. You help me. Alright, what's going on, guys? It's Chris, and today, so as you watched before, that was my install video of my steering wheel. It's a couple days later. My camera died, so I decided to just let it run until. Luckily, it got the whole install. But I'm gonna show you what this setup looks like. That's it, dude. Looks fucking sick. So, let me turn on my car, because it's about 90 degrees in here. So this is what it looks like. So back here I have my NRG hub, my NRG quick release, and then my steering wheel. That's the new view right now. So yeah, I'll show you guys quick how to use this thing. It's actually super nice. I really like it. It's pretty easy. But there's a button right here. And what you do is you push the button in. You pull the whole thing up, which I can't really do it with one hand, but you pull it up and then you pop it off. I'll show you right now. Hold on one second. Now it's off. There you go. My steering wheel's off. NRG quick release behind that. That's a little fucking other piece of quick release. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it helped out. I watched the video afterwards and I already edited the whole thing. I just need this ending piece. I tried my best. I'm not really a teacher, but I tried my best to just do a casual install video. I told you guys what, what the sockets are, and what bolts, and what nuts, and what sockets, and everything you should use. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video for the second time me saying it. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.